Hello, guys. Millennials and boomers can lift weights together. It's a family affair. I'm with my daughter-in-law,
Carissa,
and my son,
Steven.
and we are going to do some strength training together. Okay, hello, Healthinistas, and welcome to my channel, 50-something. My name is Bernice. On this channel, I give you fitness, health, and lifestyle for women over 40 and anybody else that wants to do this. So if that interests you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, but don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload, and come back every week for new videos. A family that lives together stays together. All right, we're going to start by warming up. So just lift your right foot and left foot. Let's start with that. Let's go. Let's go. Because we don't want to lift with cold muscles. You can injure yourself. So just lift, 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 and then we're going to cross our arms in the front. Let's go. Just cross in the front. Right, left, and cross. And cross. You're doing great. And cross. And cross. And cross. 4 more. 3 more. 2. And 1. Now we're going to lift it up. So bring it up and raise your hands at the same time. Let's go. Lift it. Lift it. Lift it. Lift it. 4 more. 3 more. 2. And 1. Okay, we're not going to do the whole warm-up, but I'm going to have you guys do it for about 3 to 5 minutes. And so I'm going to link a video that you can see the entire warm-up to do it. All right, we're going to start with our dumbbells. We're working with dumbbells today. So grab your dumbbells. Remember to bend your knees when you lift them. Okay, so we're going to start with bicep curls. You want your back to be straight. Your knees are slightly bent. You never want to lock your knees when you lift weights. Put your arms to your side, and we're going to do 8 reps. Are we ready?
yes.
Are we? Awesome. Let's go. Bring it up. 1. You want to blow out 2 on exertion. So when you bring it up, 3, blow out, and inhale here. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Excellent. All right. For our next set, we're doing 8 reps of hammer curls. Your arms are to your side, your knees are slightly bent, your back is straight. Remember, you're going to bring it up, almost to your shoulder, and then bring it down. Your arms are not attached to your body. Ready? Let's go. 1, and down. 2, and down. 3, and down. 4, and down. 5, and down. 6, and down. 7, and down. And 8. Very good. How did that feel? Awesome, awesome. Okay, the next one are the deltoid raises. So the next one is deltoid raises. We're going to be doing 8. Are you ready? Knees are bent, back is straight. Let's go. 1, 2, blow it out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Very good. And then we're going to squat and bring it up. Blow it out when we squat. Are we ready?
Yes.
Let's go. 1, and up. 2, and up. 3, and up. 4, and up. 5, and up. Feel the burn. 6, and up. 7, and 8. Excellent, excellent. All right, are we ready? Start with your right. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and bring it back. Left leg. 1, 2, 3, and bring it back. Right. 1, 2, 3, bring it back. Left. 1, 2, 3, bring it back. That's 4. Right. 2, 3, bring it back. 1, 2, 3, bring it back. That's 6. 1, 2, 3, bring it back. Last time. 1, 2, 3, bring it back. Excellent. How did you do? Did you feel that burn? Yes. Okay, so the next one we're going to do is the tricep extension. So you can use just one weight for that if you want. You can use, I'm using a 10-pound. You can use, Stephen is using a 25-pound, and Carissa's also using a 10-pound. So we're going to come back. Your back is straight. Your knees are bent. Bring it up and take it down. 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 Bring it up. Take it down. That's 5. Bring it up. Take it down. 6. Up. Take it down. 7. Up. And take it down. That's 8. Excellent. So now, all you have to do is do 2 to 3 sets of what we've done for you. We're going to just stretch it out, and that will be it for us today. Are we ready? All right, so take your arm, bring it to the right and stretch. Knees are still slightly bent, back is straight. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Other arm and stretch. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent. We're going to clap. So I'm going to turn around so you can see. If you can't clap your hands, if you can't clap your hands and you can only go this far, that's fine. All right? And let's hold it for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alternate. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, I want you to put your hands back, flatten your back, and stretch it. Feel it in your hamstrings. Come on, let's go. Flatten it. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent. Arms around, hands around your ankles. Bring it down. Knees are slightly bent. And hold it. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent. Bring it slowly up. We're going to inhale. Take a deep breath. Bring your arms up. As you breathe in, blow it out through your mouth. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last time, deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Awesome. Wonderful, wonderful. So, work out with your family and let me know in the comments. I can't wait to read them. Carissa, did you want to say anything?
Thank you for having me here, and just keep hydrated and enjoy your workout.
And Stephen?
Just like she said, enjoy your workout, keep your heart rate up, and take it at your own pace.
Woo! Yes, until next time. Today I am with my daughter-in-law,
Carissa.
And my Steve.
My Steve.
Okay, Madre, move a little closer to
and you can see all of us, and it's good.
Yeah.
How about this?
Yep.
You heard it here first.
Okay, so then when I say, today I'm here with my daughter-in-law, and then you say your name.
Okay.
And then my son, and you say your name.
Not king.
Not,
Right.
What,
You gotta read it.
Hold
We're
on,
not together.
time out,
He
time
doesn't know
out.
how to
First
his
off,
legs,
you
I
just
guess.
hopped into what we were doing, and you're going this way, and I'm going the opposite, and I'm trying to get on cue.
Okay,
and I'm
don't worry
looking
about
over
it.
to our mom.